Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a GATE 2008 EC question in which we have to find out the output voltage in this op-amp based circuitry, or also we can say op-amp and a diode is there. So we have to find the output voltage V naught. So the given thing in this question is a diode is connected. So this one is the diode. I am writing this one is a diode T, and one relationship is given, that is basically a diode equation. I equals to is e to the power Vd by Vt minus 1, where Vt thermal voltage, I is saturation current. So we have to find out the value of V output. So we have to find the value of V output. Okay, so one can observe that this circuit is somehow looks like a inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. Okay, so now next, so now there is a inverting amplifier. So one can say the current in this feedback loop, it should be some current, say I, and this is same as that of this I, because due to virtual ground concept, this voltage will be 0 volt. Okay, because this one is virtually grounded, so this current and this current will be same. And why I am writing in this direction, because the input voltage is negative, so current will be moved from higher potential to lower potential. So both this current I will be same, no current will be flow near the inverting input terminal. So one can easily find the current I. So we can say this I is same as that of ID, or this I. Okay, in this diode. So one can find. So from here, if we take this portion, one resistance is there, and we are saying due to virtual ground concept, this voltage will be 0 volt, and this one will be VI, that is our minus 1 volt, and this one is 100 kilo ohm resistance. So the current, we have to find the current in this one. Okay, so this current I am saying I. So this I can be simply written as higher potential 0 minus minus of 1 volt divided by resistance 100 kilo ohm. So it should be 1 by 100 milliampere, or in general we can say I value equals to 0.01 milliampere. Okay, so this one is the I value. So we have find the value of I. So how much current flowing through this diode is same as that of this I value. So now in the question, diode equation is given. So diode equation is given, so we can know this voltage. Okay, and if we know this voltage, we can say what should be the output voltage, because if we go for this side, this one is V naught, means we can say this voltage is saying V naught. Okay, and the voltage developed across this resistance, say I am saying VR, and this voltage is nothing but simply VD. Okay, diode forward bias in that direction, and this one is somehow 0 volt. Okay, so if we apply KVL, okay, if we apply KVL in this loop, I am taking some. If we apply KVL in this loop, okay, if we apply KVL in this loop 1, so it will give the value of V dot. How? If we apply KVL, or I am writing, because our aim is to find the value of V naught. So by applying KVL in loop 1. Okay, by applying KVL in loop 1. So what we can write? We can write simply V naught minus VR. We can take your assumption. You can do your assumption, but I am writing like plus V naught, then minus VR minus VD equals to 0 because now it is grounded 0 volt. Or you can, if you go in that way, so again you have to write the voltage across this resistance. So no need, you just make a loop like this. Okay, so we can say the value of V naught is simply VR plus VD, voltage across this resistance and voltage across this diode. Okay, and one more thing. Now VR, now I is there and R is there, so we can say VR is simply our I into say R. I am saying this one is, or say RF. Okay, I into RF, this resistance is our say RF. Okay, so I into RF plus VD. Okay, this one is our V naught. Simple calculation. Okay, so now what we have to find? I is given, RF is given. Okay, VR I am writing here, VR equals to I into RF. So I value is there 0.01 microampere, sorry, milliampere. Okay, so make it 10 to power minus 3 into RF. This RF is 4 kilo ohm. So 4 into 10 to power 3. This should be cancelled out. So it should be 0.04. Okay, this one is the value of VR. Okay, I am highlighting this one. VR value we have calculated. Okay, now we have to find the value of VD. To find the value of VD, what we have to do? We have the diode equation already given. So we can write I. Okay, I. Okay, because same current is flowing, so we can write I equals to I as the diode equation, e to power Vd by Vt minus 1. Okay, now from this diode equation, we can write this as a I value is given 0.01 milliampere. So, okay, better to write 10 to power minus 3. Is value is also given, Is 1 microampere. So, we can write as 10 to power minus 6. Okay, e to the power Vd by Vt. So, now we have to use the calculator. Okay, so now one can also write 0.01 into 10 to power minus 3 by 10 to power minus 6 equals to e to the power Vd by Vt minus 1. Okay, so now next we have to find the value of Vd. Okay, so one can write this should be 0.01 10 to power minus 3, 10 to power minus 3, so minus 3, so it should be 10 to power 3. Okay, very simple calculation. Once again I am writing e to the power Vd by Vt minus 1. Then again if we make it 100, so it should be simply 10. Okay, simple calculation. So it's 10 equals to e to the power Vd by Vt minus. Simple calculation. I am doing step by step. Then 1 should become in the left hand side. So it should be 11 equals to e to Vd by Vt. So now we have to find the value of this Vd. So one can say if we take ln both sides, ln e base e to power Vd by Vt, so it should be Vd by Vt. Okay, this value. So I am writing here. So one can write, I am writing in that side. Okay, so Vd is nothing but simply Vt into ln 11. Okay, now Vt value is how much? 25 millivolt. So we can write it 10 to the power minus 3. Now ln 11, 11. Okay, so it will come around 2.39789. I have calculated using what we can say the calculator. So if we solve this one, if we solve this one, it will come nearly 59.94 milli or 10 to the power minus 3, or in general it is approximately 0.06. So the vd value will be 0.06. If we calculate this one step by step, so its value will be 0.06. Now vd is there, vr is there. Okay, the value of vd, we have already calculated vd, sorry, vr and vd. So the output voltage v naught is nothing but simply vr plus vd. Okay, put the value of vr. Okay, so vr value is 0.04 plus vd value 0.06. So if we sum, it should be 0.1 volt. So our output voltage will be 0.1 volt. So this was a very simple question. Some question are given. One can also go from this side. They can write Kirchhoff's voltage law. I am just writing for just means how to write the, but the right answer is 0.1. First I have to mark the option. Say 0.1. Okay, I am also highlighting this one. 0.1 will be the right answer. So one can also write, suppose some people want to write Kirchhoff's voltage law in their side, so they can also write the Kirchhoff's voltage law in that way, in that side also, not a issue. So in this case what we have to write for in such situation? Okay, one can also write the Kirchhoff's equation for that one. V naught minus VR minus VD, then minus some resistance drop. Okay, say this one is a VRF, we can write is a VRF, and say this one is a VR minus VR minus minus 1, then plus 1 volt equals to 0. Okay, so using that equation you can also find the value of VD. Okay, but this one will be the shorter one. This loop, just go to the ground and find out the value. So this is the all about this question. So this one is a very simple one, but you have to know the basic KVL concept. So thank you for watching. Do practice such type of numerical. It is a very good numerical. So thank you for watching.